Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to lock image position in Word easy and fast. We're going to open the Word document. You will see the image. As you enter new text, you can see that the image moves. After that, right-click on the image. From Wrap Text, choose the square option. Adjust the image if necessary. Again, we are going to right-click on the image, and this time from Wrap Text, we are going to choose the option, Fix Position on Page. As a result, you can see that the image remains fixed even if you enter text on it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.